everybody. We're just had the doctor in here, and we're having a redo on the surgery. Isn't that fun? I get to go through it again on tomorrow at about 1 o'clock. Only this time it's going to be a longer surgery because they're putting in a more beautiful contraption into my leg, hopefully. Oh, the joy.
Oh, the joy. Did you want to sing a song and do a dance for your fans?
Not a dance, but you can show them my view.
Doesn't show it very good from there. She has a view of the worker men up there on that green platform.
There's one I see.
Yeah, there's a few. You can see some shadows and stuff. She's hoping it gets hot enough again that they'll all be taking their clothes off, but
at least they're tops.
At least they're tops. Here's her room. At least she has a nice private room for now. She'll probably lose it tomorrow after surgery. Yeah. But I've told them she's not coming home until she can walk. Stand up by herself and walk.
Yeah. Which I can't do.
Which she can't do right now. Should we take a look at how horrible your leg looks? Probably won't be able to see much. Yeah, because she's got this big brace on her. But look at how swollen her leg is. It's like huge. It's like a huge giant leg.
Warm too.
It's warm too? Oh yeah. Yeah, we can still see the bruising.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Such a pretty, sexy leg.
Such a pretty, sexy leg. Thanks for sharing it with the world.
Yeah, aren't you thrilled?
Any words of wisdom?
No, somebody sent me, my daughter sent me something that reminded me that God is in control. He has a reason for all of this. I sure don't know what it is.
I wondered if maybe somebody needed to hear about God from you.
I don't know, but it's nice that he's looking after it.
Yeah.
He knows what's going on with me and why.
Yeah.
And why he's allowing it to go on with me.
Yeah.
And as this saying said, when she sent it, he had a purpose for it.
Yeah.
There's a reason for it.
There is a reason for it.
Hopefully it's to help somebody.
Hopefully it's to help somebody. Maybe somebody needs to see that having God can take your fear away.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's true. I don't have any fear. I don't look forward to the pain of the future, but I don't have fear of the surgery.
Yeah. And that really makes a difference, I think. So maybe other people can learn from that, and maybe that's why you're here. You are a lesson to others, Mother. How precious is that?
Yeah.
All right, say goodbye. See you soon.
See you around the corner.
See you after surgery.
Okay, bye-bye.